Hello everyone. Do you want to build a loyal subscriber base and connect with your store visitors? Today we are looking at how to set up prompts for push notifications in Flitz. In this video, we will explain what a prompt is, walk through the setup process, and break down the different types of prompts you can use to start gathering subscribers. Let's get started. So what exactly is a prompt firstly? Basically, a prompt is an alert that nudges visitors to accept notifications from your website. Prompts are essential because they are the only way to convert regular visitors into subscribers who will actually receive your push notification. Now, let's look into how to set up this prompt. Basically, Flitz gives you 4 options: default prompt, custom prompt, iOS prompt, and no prompt. Important point to note here is that default prompt is the standard browser generated request that appears automatically. See, now due to browser restrictions, this cannot be customized and is not compatible with certain browsers. Key points to consider here are: you must have an active prompt to gain new subscribers. Second is select the type of prompt that best aligns with your website design goals and your target audience. From the Flitz admin dashboard, on the left hand side, navigate to notification. Now here, select push notification section, and under the categories section, go to real time notifications and click edit. Now this screen shows different reward rules. This setup is very similar to the options available in main notification. You can set up specific alerts depending on which loyalty rule you currently have activated. To open the editor screen by clicking on the edit button. Now in the editor, you can fully customize how the alert looks on your customer screen. First, you can upload your store's logo or a custom image. Edit the text description to match your brand's voice. There is an option to add a primary link to read, and this link will redirect your customers exactly where you want them to go when they click the notification. Additionally, there is an option to add a button, a CTA button, where you can customize the title and add a link. Once you have edited how you want your notification to look, you can see a preview of how the notification will show up on your customer's page. You can even see how it would show up for different devices and operating systems, like for Android 11. It shows up like this, how it shows up for Mac, how it shows up for iOS, etc. Once you're happy with the setup, make sure that your rule heading shows a on symbol, and for that click on turn on toggle. That's it. Your subscribers will now receive immediate push notifications regarding their activity as and when their points are updated. Setting up the right prompt is the first step to engage your customers and build a powerful subscriber base. If you need any help deciding which prompt is right for you or need assistance with the setup, feel free to reach out to our team at support@getflitz.com. FAQ link will be attached, which will have the detailed steps as to how to set it up in case you need additional guidance. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.